Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Control Center using the dedicated gesture or keyboard shortcut. This gives instant access to core controls. Once open, scan the top row for connectivity and power tiles so you know current states. Make sure to enable or disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or Do Not Disturb depending on immediate needs. While you act, keep the device steady and pause background apps to prevent conflicts. This quick approach gets you into the workspace, where the next adjustments are efficient and predictable. Now focus on the detailed adjustments. Use sliders for brightness and volume, and toggle screen orientation if your layout changes. Once done, expand the advanced tiles to reach display calibration, sound output selection, network priorities, and privacy shortcuts. These control deeper behavior. Make sure to use long press or force touch to reveal secondary settings and quick presets that save time. If you customize one setting, check related tiles so changes don't conflict. Coordinated changes prevent surprises during active use. Finish by verifying the changes. Perform a quick test such as playing audio, toggling Wi-Fi, or rotating the screen to confirm behavior. Once confirmed, save any custom layout or take a screenshot so you can restore it later. If a control is unresponsive, try the reset tile or enter safe mode if available. This clears temporary conflicts without losing settings. Remember, if problems persist, reboot the device. Then recheck Control Center. Most issues resolve after a restart and a brief retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.